subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about golden rules of accounts. There are three golden rules of accounts. First one is personal accounts, and second one is real accounts, and third one is nominal accounts. We will firstly see the personal accounts. What is personal accounts? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So, for example, Suresh borrowed 10k from Ramesh. Entry will be Suresh account debit to Ramesh account. Here, Suresh is a receiver and Ramesh is a giver. So we debited Suresh account and we credited Ramesh account. Next, secondly, real accounts. What is real account? Debit what comes in and credit what goes out from the business. Example is missionary bought and paid total amount of 20k rupees. Entry will be missionary account debit to cash account. Here missionary is a debit what comes in. That's why we debited missionary account. It is coming into the business. And the cash is going out from the business. That's why we are credited cash. Third one is nominal accounts. It is debit all expenses or loss and credit all incomes or gains of the business. Example, paid room rent of business 30k rupees. Entry will be rent account debit to cash account. Here rent is an expense. So the rule is debit all expenses or losses. So we are debiting rent account and creating cash account as it is a real account. It is going out from the business. Second example for this is sale of goods for cash 40k rupees. Entry will be cash account debit to sales account as sales is a income which is coming into the business. So the rule is credit all incomes or gains of the business. So here sales is an income. That's why we are crediting the sales account and the cash we are debiting because the cash is coming into the business as per real account. Thank you friends. Thank you all for your love and supporting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and press the bell icon. Thank you.